The distance measurement tool in HuntStand is a super helpful tool. A lot of people use it a lot of different ways, but here are 3 of the ways that our team likes to use the distance measurement tool. First of all, for pre-scouting. If you're looking at a hunting location that you're not totally familiar with, it's a really good idea to try to judge distances or get an idea of what particular distances are. For instance, if you're gonna go hunt a tree stand with a rifle and you don't know exactly how far it's gonna be across a field, well, you might wanna use that distance measurement tool to pre-scout your setups, if you will, so that when you go out there, you have a pretty good idea of where you want to set up before you even put boots on the ground. The second way we like to use the distance measurement tool is for basic navigation. So trying to figure out how long it might take you to get from point A to point B. So a good example of that would be, you park your truck, you got to get to a glassing knob. You don't know how long it's going to take you to get there. Well, if you use a distance measurement tool, either just as a straight line projection or a multi-segmented line, it'll give you some idea of how long that distance is and how long it's going to take you to get there. The third way we really like to use a distance measurement tool is if you're in a pinch and you're out in the field, you can actually use it as a rangefinder. So let's say you get to your tree stand, you're hunting a big field, you see a deer comes out, you go to grab your rangefinder and you don't have it. Well, how far away is that deer? For archery, of course, you have to be more precise, but with something like a rifle, at least if you know the general distance, you can use that distance measurement tool to figure that out on the fly.